What's up, beautiful people? How you all doing? Today I'm going to be making a very short but detailed video for you all, just to show you guys how I measure my 2x4 lace closure for ventilation. I have actually measured quite a few at the top right, so I will be making a new measurement now so you guys can see. I'm going in with the color light brown Swiss lace. And yes, for those of you who keep asking what kind of lace do I make use of for ventilation, I make use of the Swiss lace for ventilation. Just placed my tape on the lace and I'm ticking from where this tape is starting from, and then I'm going to tick at the middle where it's 1 inches, and then I'm going to tick at the side as well where it's 2 inches. You get? And then I go to the bottom and I tick 4 inches as well, which makes it 2x4. I hope you get. The reason why I ticked the part that has 1 inches is just so I'll get the top, which is where my ventilation is going to stop. It's quite self-explanatory. Okay. So going in with this ruler, this is just going to help me have a straight line on the lace, you know, without going out of place. I believe you get it now. It's quite simple and easy, you know. You can just ventilate on this without sewing the sides. That's if you're going to make your wig straight ahead. But if you want to make this for a client, I think you go ahead to sew the sides before you deliver, because you want to make a clean job, you know. So I actually measured a lot of them because I had a lot of order to ventilate on. So this is how I measure. I measure a lot of it and then cut it. It makes my work very easy, you know. So I'll just let you enjoy the rest of the video, and while you're doing that, I just want to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers. Like, you guys are just the best. You motivate me to do more videos for you all, and I want to say a big thank you as well to my new subscribers, those that just joined us for the first time. And if you're just watching this video or you're just seeing this video for the first time, hello, I'm Rox-T Styles and you're welcome. I believe you want to stay here because we have lots and lots of videos to share with you. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification by the side just so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And please share this video with your friends and your loved ones, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.